Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Amex points to Turkish Airlines. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Transferring your Amex point to Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles program is a great way to maximize your travel rewards. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Log into your Amex account. Go to American Express website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Membership Rewards. Find the Membership Rewards section in your account. Step 3. Select Transfer Points. Choose the option to transfer points and select Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles as the partner. Step 4. Enter your details. Provide your Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles membership number and the amount of points you want to transfer. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details and confirm the transfer. The points should be transferred to your Miles and Smiles account shortly. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.